Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can grow the Atlantic giant pumpkin in the normal garden or the garden valley in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the Atlantic giant pumpkin and this is the seed from the Fall Harvest World in Grow Garden 2. And this is the plan which can make us get rich super fast. I'm going to harvest it, and if you sell the Atlantic giant pumpkin, you'll get million shekels. And if you want to grow the Atlantic giant pumpkin in the Garden Valley, you need the magic mail from the Fall Harvest World, and you're going to teleport to the Fall Harvest World. I'm going to teleport to there. Okay, and after you arrive at the Full Harvest World, you're going to purchase the legendary magic meal. We can only transfer the Atlantic giant pumpkin using the legendary magic meal, since the Atlantic giant pumpkin is a legendary seed. And after you purchase the legendary magic meal, you're going to get the Atlantic giant pumpkin from the seed shop. It's pretty rare, guys, so maybe you need to wait a little longer. And after you get the seed, you're going to use the magic mail to send, and you're going to select the Atlantic giant pumpkin. But I don't have the legendary magic mail, so now I can't transfer the Atlantic giant pumpkin to my garden valley. And yeah, just like that. If you want to grow the Atlantic giant pumpkin in your normal garden or the garden valley, you need to have the legendary magic meal. And okay guys, that's how you can grow the Atlantic giant pumpkin in Garden Valley and Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!